Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's and I'm doing a review on the Rizzoli, the M series. So we talked about the ML, the MZ, and the standard M. So right now I'm going to show you guys the ML Rustic. So this is shown in the soapstone finish. I love these little stacked model stoves. The difference on the ML, so I was talking about the deeper oven. So you can see compared to the regular M, the oven is much deeper. So you actually have 4 different levels on this particular oven. So coincidentally with the oven, you're not gonna get the pan drawer that pulls out below. So that's it. This is gonna be solid on the bottom. You have 3 damper controls. Your oven damper located here on the bottom. Primary damper, which is going to bring in your air from underneath the firebox, your combustion air, making it super easy to get your fire started. Top damper control is going to be your oven. I'm sorry, your secondary, your air wash here, which is also going to control your damper. You do have various options available for your handles, so this is going to be shown in the stainless steel. You can order a wraparound rail or a single rail. This is going to be shown without. Now, the ML series is going to be a convection style model. You do have the air spaces located on each side of the stove. So they did make the cooktop panel here, the frame, slightly wider. This is gonna make it cooler to the touch. So if you didn't have a rail and you like bump into this side of the cooktop, you're not gonna burn yourself. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. So this is the pellet box by Rizzoli. This is pretty cool because this is going to be, this is a wood cook stove, but you can actually put this pellet box in here and have the ability to burn pellets in your pellet box, or you can remove it and burn solid fuel. I hope that you guys find this video overview helpful. If you do, if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.